I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials: MySQL running and connector/NET installed. Open Visual Studio and create a VB, NET Windows Forms or Console project. Once done, add the NuGet package MySQL data or MySQL connector to the project. This gives you the ADO NET provider. Next, make a connection string template including server, port 3306, database, user ID, and password. Make sure to save credentials securely in app config or a secret store rather than hard coding them in your form. You now implement the code. Create a MySQL connection object using your connection string, then open it inside a using block so it always disposes. Once open, create a MySQL command for your SQL. If you expect rows, use execute reader and a MySQL data reader, or use execute non-query for inserts/updates. Use parameters to prevent SQL injection, for example, add with value. At name. Make sure to catch MySQL exception and display clear messages. This helps you diagnose auth or network errors quickly. You finish by validating results and cleaning up, commit or rollback transactions as needed, and ensure every connection is closed in a using block. Once your form or service reads and writes correctly, move sensitive configs to app. Config with encrypted sections or environment variables. If something goes wrong, start with one key troubleshooting step. Confirm the connector version matches your NET target and that MySQL accepts remote connections on port 3306. Then check user privileges and firewall rules before changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.